Very good morning, children. So, in the last class, we completed the linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now, I go for the next chapter, new chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. Okay, some of the students, the students asked some doubts in exercise 6.3, some 8 and 9 problems. So when you come to the Zoom, that problems will be explained. I will clarify those doubts in the Zoom class. Okay, whenever you get the Zoom class, in the Zoom class, I clarify your doubts. Whatever doubts we have in exercise 6.3, I will clarify on the board. You don't do nothing to worry. So I start new chapter, that is 10th chapter, surface areas and volumes. So what is surface area and volumes? Entirely it is a different topic. It is this chapter, this branch is a separate branch in the mathematics. This branch is separate. This is the separate branch in the mathematics. What branch? What do you call that branch? That is called mensuration. That is called mensuration. What is mensuration? Mensuration means the branch of the mathematics that deals with the geometrical objects, such as triangle, square, and rectangle, and prism, and cone, cylinder, sphere, all these things. Okay, so the branch of the mathematics that deals with the geometrical objects is called the mensuration. So the mensuration is the one of the important branch in the mathematics. Okay, so in this branch mensuration, there are 2D objects are there, 3D objects, 2D and 3D. 2D objects, 2D. What are 2D objects? 2D objects are triangle, rectangle, square. These are 2D. 2D means two-dimensional objects. Two-dimensional objects. What are two-dimensional objects? What do you call? Two-dimensional object means two dimensions means two measurements, having two measurements. So the figures which have length and breadth, the geometrical figures which have length and breadth are called 2D objects. Next to 3D objects. What are 3D objects? 3D objects means the geometrical figures which have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height are called three-dimensional objects. Now you got clear what is the difference between 2D and 3D. 2D objects. 2D means only in 2D objects you find only two measurements, that is length and breadth. In 3D, three-dimensional objects you find length and breadth and height. Sometimes that third measurement will be hidden. Third measurement will be when you observe the cube. When you observe the cuboid cube, so we can't show the lengths which are hidden. Some parts will be hidden. The hidden part is only third measurement. So the figures which have the length, breadth and height are called 3D objects. So that is why this is the mensuration, surface areas and volumes. Surface means this blackboard. The top of this is called surface. The board is surface, and bench. The top of the bench also surface. So the top of the book also surface. Surface means that. For example, we are in the room. So we know about the directions. We are in the room. Room means what? Four sides will be there. What are the four sides? Four sides, front side, back side, and length, breadth, like say left hand side, right hand side, before our face, back of us. So will be directions. So that namely they are called east. Direction. This is the east. After east, what will come? South will come. After south will come what? West will come. After west, what will come? North will come. These four directions will come. Okay. East. After east, south. After south, west. After west, north will. All the four directions. Like this. Okay. These are lateral faces. What do you call? Lateral faces. What about top and floor? If you include top and floor, top and floor of the room, total we get 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. So these 4 faces are these are called lateral faces, and including bottom and top, it is called total surface area. Every room will have total faces 6 faces. Lateral faces are 4. Lateral lateral face is 4, total faces are 6. Okay. So now let us discuss about the 2D objects, 2D or 3D objects in this chapter. Here, let us go for the first cuboid. Let us go for the cube. 3D object. Cuboid is the cube and cuboid are the 2D objects. Already about 2D objects you have learned in the 8th class and 7th class. They are triangles and rectangle and square. So the new one is here cuboid. Cuboid. How to draw the cuboid? This is a cuboid. This is cuboid. Draw the rectangle. The base of cuboid will be rectangle. This is the rectangle like this. Cuboid. This is a rectangle. You draw one more rectangle. One more rectangle like this is the cuboid. This is cuboid. This is cuboid. You can draw the cuboid. So like this also you can draw the cuboid. In different ways you can draw. Like this. Like this also you can draw the cuboid. Okay. So this is length. This is breadth. This is height. LBH. LBH. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lateral faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces will be there. Total in cuboid we can get 6 faces. Cuboid or cube totally 6 faces. Lateral faces clearly I showed. Lateral faces are 4 and floor and top 2 places. Totally 6. This is the cuboid. Every cuboid will have length and breadth and height. So let us write their lateral faces and total faces. Total formula for that. So LSA lateral means lateral surface area. Lateral surface. All of you note on children. All of you note on the formula. The lateral surface area of a cuboid. Of a cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. This is a formula for lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. So, are you getting anything by seeing this formula in the earlier classes, 8th class and 7th class? This formula is almost all equal to area of the four walls of the room. The lateral surface area of the cuboid is same as the area of the four walls of the room. Area of the four walls of the room. Area of the four walls of the room also same formula. 2h into L plus B. So, the lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2h into L plus B. Where L is the length, B is the breadth, h is the height. Next, total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So whichever you want to find LSA or PSA, we need LBH. We need LBH measurements. Therefore, shortly you can write this is what lateral surface area means LSA shortcut. The observation of LSA is what? Lateral surface area. This is what? Shortly you can write TSA. TSA means total surface area. Next we go for the volume. Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is formula L into V into H. The product of length, breadth and height is the volume of the cuboid. So they will give the 2 centimeters length, 5 centimeters breadth, height 10 centimeters. They ask to find out the LSA, PSA volume. Just put the value simply. Put the values in that formula. So lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and volume of the cuboid equal to L into B into H. One problem left there. Find LSA. I will erase the children this figure. I will give some problem on this. Find LSA, PSA, and volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. Then let given that what is first measurement? Length. L is equal 4 centimeters, B equal to 6 centimeters, H is equal 10 centimeters. Now what they asked here first? LSA. LSA of cuboid. LSA of a cuboid. LSA of cuboid formula 2H into L plus B. 2 into H is what? 10. L plus B 4 plus 6. 2 10 are 20 into 4 plus 6 10. 20 into 10 200. 200 square centimeters or centimeter square. This is LSA. PSA. PSA of a cuboid. Just formula substituting only. PSA of cuboid is PSA of cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH formula. Write the formula, substitute the values. That's all. 2 into LB. What is L? L is 4 into B is 6. B is 6, H is 10. L is 4, H is 10. Like this. So 2 into 4 is 24. 6 10 60. 4 10 40. Now 2 into 60 plus 40 100. 100 plus 24 124. 124 into 2 248 square centimeters. Now volume. Volume of cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Formula you know that L into B into H. So what is L? 4. What is B? 6. What is H? 10. 4 6 is 24. 24 10 is 240. The volume always expressed in the cubic units. Whereas area will be square units. Square. If the measurements are in centimeters, square centimeters. If the measurements are given in the meters, square meters. The volume is cubic. Cubic. 240 cubic centimeters. If it is given in the meters, cubic meters. So this is LSA of cuboid is 200 square centimeters. PSA is 248 and volume is 240. So if you know the formula, if you remember the formula for LSA, PSA and volume, easily to calculate the areas. Okay. So we must remember, we have the formula. And the problems will be like this. I hope you clearly understood children. Next I go for the cube. So next I go for the cube children. Second one is cube. So you know already everybody knows about the cube. We will play with the cube. Yes? Colors. All colors will bring one side, either top or lateral side. That is the cube. You know that cube. Cube means the base of the figure is geometrical object is a square. It is called cube. So in the cube you find all sides are equal. Square means I draw the figure cube. Here this is the cube. This is the cube in the square. Is it looking like square or rectangle? I hope it is square. I hope it is square. All sides are equal. This is a square. This is a cuboid. Cube. This is called cube. This is cube. Okay. The cube, all sides will be equal. LBH are equal. LBH are equal. This is A, this is A, this is A. Suppose if you say the length A, breadth also A, H also A. All dimensions are equal in the cube. Okay. So this also having the all totals 4 lateral faces and 6 total surfaces. Totally 6 surfaces. Total surface are 6 and laterals are 4. That you remember. What is the side of the cube? A here. Let side of cube. Let side of a cube. Side of a cube be A. The side of cube is A. In the cube, all dimensions are equal. Length, breadth, height are equal. L equal to B equal to H. L equal to B equal to H. So, let us write LSA. LSA means, you know that LSA means lateral surface area. LSA of a cube. LSA of a cube. LSA of a cube whose side A is 4A square. 4A square means 4 side square. Side of the cube is A. Okay. 4A square. 4A square square units. Next, TSA of a cube. TSA of a cube is equal to 6A square. 6 into side square. And volume of cube. Volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Volume. So, the LSA of a cube is 4A square. TSA of a cube is 6A square. And volume of a cube is A cube. Volume of a cube is A cube. So, we can do the problems on this. For example, find LSA, TSA and cube of a cube whose side 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Here what given? Side of the cube A equal to 3 centimeters. Now LSA find out. LSA of a cube. LSA of a cube formula is what? 4A square. 4 into A is 3. 3 square. 4 into 3 square. 4 9 is 36. 36 square centimeters. Now TSA. TSA of a cube. Formula is what? 6A square. 6 into A is 3. 3 square. 3 square 9. 6 9 is 54 centimeter square. Volume. Volume of a cube is equal to A cube. A is 3 cube. 27 cubic. So I hope we clearly understood. Okay, this is a cube. What is LSA of a cube? 4A square. TSA of a cube is 6A square. Volume is A cube. What is the problem given here? Find the LSA and TSA of cube. Whose side is 3 centimeters. Side means A is equal to 3 centimeters. Find out LSA of cube. So to find the LSA of cube, you must know the formula for the LSA. LSA of cube formula is 4A square. 4 into A value 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 4 is 36 centimeter square. TSA of cube is 6A square. 6 into 3 square. 6 into 3 square means 9. 6 9 is 54. Now volume of a cube is formula A cube. 3 cube. 27 cubic centimeters. So this is the formula for the cuboid and cube. So next, I hope we clearly understood, children. I will discuss next topic in the next session. Okay, thank you.